got a 12F. It's a dark and colored, looks like Mercedes. I-95 northbound approaching US 1.
6 are authorized for Orman units as well. No pursuit.
Give everyone the channel.
Alright, he's weaving in and out of traffic here. He's probably less than a quarter mile out from US 1.
Going. Alright, he's getting back on 95. 90 Central, notify Flagler County.
Car 2 to 90, did you guys get him with sticks?
No, he turned around right before me.
Car 2 Central, I'm with them. It's 12F for now. We're not going to pursue it. Let the helicopter follow it, and we'll see if we can stick it.
Alright, we're over 100. He's overtaking vehicles. We're still northbound.
Denver.
We're about a mile out from Old Dixie. Alright, he's getting off at Old Dixie. Getting off Old Dixie at 95. Alright. He's signaled forward into the grass. Rear bumper's ripped off. He's driving through the grass. He's going to be eastbound on Old Dixie.
Eastbound.
31 will be set up for sticks. US 1 and the county line.
Yeah, Walter Boardman, rear bumper's hanging on by a thread. He's dragging his rear bumper. Coming out some traffic, almost signal pouring into vehicles. He's continuing east on Walter Boardman, past High Bridge. Alright, we're at John Anderson now. Stand by. Alright, he's going to be eastbound on Moody. Just lost the rear bumper. Still westbound on Moody. Alright, he's slowing down. He sees the units ahead of him. He's kind of stationary. Stand by. Yep, he's stopped westbound. Alright, driver is getting out. Hands up. It's like he's giving up. Black male, black hoodie, black beanie, black pants.
On 100. Air 1.
Yep, he's on 100, just east of... Behind you, stop, everybody.
Stay there.
Alright, units, he's behind you, guys are passing him, turn back around. He's laid out prone in the roadway here.
Alright, car 2 Central, I'm on scene. Where's he, on the westbound side or eastbound?
Right in front of that SUV.
Somebody, pal.
Man, I thought I had a child support warrant, man.
That's okay. We got something for you now.
Got something for who?
For you.
For what? What the fuck I did? I ain't did shit.
Put your leg. Roll him. Get up on one knee.
Man, all right, look, I got a broken hip.
Okay, I'm not looking at your hip.
Okay,
get up on one knee.
No, I can't, man. Listen. Roll over. Both times. My arm, bro. I got a rod in my arm.
Then help yourself.
Exit 92 secure. 1417.
Have a seat. Sit in the car.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
For what? I told
For
you.
fleeing and eluding.
Man, why the f*** sit in the car? Sit down.
Okay, then if you got a
I'm
warrant.
asking you, do I have a key? Pull my pants. You know if you're man, help me put my pants up. The fuck?
We don't know who you are. How do we know if you got a warrant?
Man, I'm asking you, do I have a warrant? I fled because I thought I had a child support warrant. What the fuck?
It doesn't give you an excuse to run.
Yes, it do. I thought I had a
You're an
warrant.
idiot.
Shit,
Shut
I ain't
up.
from-
Get inside the car.
I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
How the fuck am I?
It gives me an excuse to run if I got a
felony.
warrant.
Good job.
Said what?